it's a little one.
When it comes up like ah! Yeah, that's right. It's not protected species.
Oh!
Hey, watch your. It's gonna break your underarm. All right, you're good. You got one? Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm already yeah? You grab it real fast. Not any other tension. We'll go back up.
Should I keep that rod up?
Right.
Tips up. Tips out.
I was gonna say you don't want to do it on the side because then it's not in the right through. Yeah.
Get the mini fighting belt.
The other way there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Keep going. Keep going. Don't you slow down. You take
I know you're tired from no sleep, but
yeah.
not the time.
Work harder than this one.
You might be showing your boys this.
Yeah, camera's on.
Just the GoPro, right? But that doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's true. You work harder when you go to the gym. Still there, right?
This is what, our third hookup?
Oh, yeah.
Good. And he's just helping guide the line on, so it's on you. Want me to take it?
Yeah.
Swap it out.
Hot swap. Good yet, no? You can feel it doing head shakes. You guys are still feeling head shakes, or yeah?
That was a good pull. And we let it eat, guys. Good work there.
Yep, let it eat.
I called it instead of yeah.
We still feeling shakies? Looks like it. Boys, what success for day one.
Get it a little closer and switch. Switch it out, switch it out.
Keep real, keep real. Keep it in the water. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
We have to get in the water with it. We cannot bring this one up. Wow, that's a good one. That's probably comparable to the tiger run. Oh, yeah. Job, boy. I don't want to say anymore. I'd rather ever just tire out.
That's so funny. It was a bluefish.
Text Marty.
That one you caught today.
Yeah.
And then I zip tied the bonita.
Yeah.
So it was like a double bait.
Oh, nice.
Another one is a double bonita.
Damn.
We also can get water if we think we're gonna burn it out.
I was gonna say I would get water.
Alright, let's get a water bottle.
Yeah, he's
Jesse,
hot.
Run upstairs and get a water bottle.
Uh-oh.
No, you're good. You're good.
Yeah, it's just be a little careful with the braid, you don't want to cut your finger.
Yeah, we need fucking water.
Yeah.
Hose.
Yeah, we're Jesse's in there now.
Anytime I try to tighten up butter, she gets so pissed.
Of course it'd be on this rod. It's classic.
Hit.
They're inside. I don't know what they're doing. They're
Yeah,
outside.
maybe 4 more minutes, 5 more minutes. Then yeah.
Who was out? Just Ken and Jesse cleaning? Were you out when it happened?
Yeah, Ken and I. I was the first one through it, and I let her eat. Went way over.
Was it a hard
Oh,
pull?
look at it go after all this fighting.
Was it a hard pull, Ryan?
Oh yeah. Well, no, not at all. Actually, at first it was just a bunch.
It's taking
But then it
big
took
runs.
off, and then I just let it eat, and then I tightened it. As soon as she knew she was caught, she was like, boom.
It's taking runs.
This one's gonna be a decent one.
It wasn't even my cranking hand, it was the one holding it, just like cramping.
Someone hold on these tools so we get
Huh?
It's still out there pretty good, Ken. I wouldn't mess with it too much.
I was fighting it.
Like he was fighting.
Give me much. This is definitely fighting now.
He was a lot of head shakes, a lot of runs.
I need a fucking glove. I need those gloves. What I need.
What gloves?
Rubber gloves.
The ones Jesse and I were using?
Yeah, I need some.
Do you have different ones?
I guess you guys just keep fighting.
Ken, I can go get them. I got a whole bunch right there. I'll grab. Someone take these. I'll go get them.
Get a couple pairs.
It just helps.
We had big sharks on with this shitty pole. We pulled. Someone did.
All right, you ready? Yep. All right, I'm taking the belt. Pop it off.
Oh, they're swapping. Where is it?
To the right.
You know when you're ready.
Just about, I think. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, coming.
Oh, he's caught.